Hello children, today I am going to introduce you uses of tenses. Uses of simple present tense. It is used to describe repeated actions, habits of persons or characteristics of things. It is used to express facts which are universal. It is used to express a future action. I drink tea every morning. Honesty is the best policy. The president arrives tomorrow. Look here, I drink tea every morning. That means everyday morning. So it is a habitual action. Honesty is the best policy. So it is a kind of fact. That means that is a moral fact. It is moral truth. So morality is there. Honesty is the best policy. The president arrives tomorrow. That president's arrival, that is sure. If that is a future action, but it is sure. That's why here used simple present tense. Look here is some example for you. He drinks coffee every day. It is a habitual action. The sun rises in the east. That is a natural fact, scientific truth. It also expressed by simple present tense. Uses of present continuous tense. It is used to describe an action that is actually happening or continuing at the moment of speaking. It is used to describe an action going on over a period of time, but may not be going on just at the moment of speaking. It is used to describe an action that is about to happen or to take place in the near future. The boys are watching the TV. It's a continuous action. I am learning English. It is also a continuous action. Babu is leaving for Mumbai today. Today he is going to leave, but it is sure. In that cases we are using present continuous tense. Look here. The boy is watching the TV. She is singing a song. Both sentences used in present continuous tense. Let us study now uses of present perfect tense. It is used to describe an action which has been completed near the present time. It is used to indicate that the action has taken place sometimes in the past, but the action completed in the past has its effect in the present time. It is used to indicate that the action began at some time in the past but is continuing up to the present time of speaking. Its result is still. So it is here we used present perfect tense. Look here, he has finished his homework. He has broken his leg. That means whatever work is there, work completed, but its effect is still there. Uses of present perfect continuous tense. It is used for an action which began at some time in the past but is still continuing in the present. He has been sleeping for 5 hours. Rekhu has been working since 8 a.m. They have been staying here since 1st April 1990. Here we have to remember that for is used for a period of time. Look here, he has been sleeping for 5 hours. That means total time period is mentioned by for. Since is used for a point of time, Rekhu has been working since 8 a.m. So that 8 a.m. that sharp point of time is there. They have been staying here since 1st April 1990. Here also that sharp point of time, that means 1st April 1990 is mentioned here. He has been sleeping for 5 hours. The kids have been playing since morning. Uses of simple past tense. It is used to describe an action which happened or took place in the past and was completed in the past. Yesterday, last night, 10 days back, 4 years ago, some months ago. It is used to narrate stories or describe series of past happenings or events. 5 years ago, I left the college. I lived here for 4 years. So that means that action completed. Look here, the dog ate the cake. The family baked a cake together. Here the work completed. So then it's after effect only we are seeing here. Uses a past continuous tense. It is used to describe an action which was going on or was in progress at a point of time or over a period of time, or when another action took place or was taking place. At 6 p.m. yesterday he was typing in his office. Raj was sleeping when the phone rang. That means in past time that action happened, but it is a continuous action in a past time. Look here, they were playing football in that field, but at present time they all are resting. So earlier that work happened, that it was a continuous function. That means playing football, continuous action. Second figure, grandma was constantly singing songs when she made us breakfast. So then earlier grandma was singing, but at now she was playing with that kid. Grandma was constantly singing songs when she made us breakfast. Now let us study about the uses of past perfect tense. It is used to describe an action that had already been completed in the past before another action took place in the past. When I reached the station, the train had left. Here two actions are there. When I reached the station is one of the action. Second one, the train had left. The train had left, that already happened. Second incident reached the station. I had already completed my homework. When asking about that homework, that we are replying like that, I had already completed my homework. That means that describe an action that had already been completed in the past. Look here, I had lived in this house for last 15 years. Earlier I used to live, but now I am not living there. The bus had just left when we got to the bus stop. So that means we reached to the bus stop. So up to that time what happened? The bus had just left. Uses of past perfect continuous tense. It is used to describe an action which began in the past and continued in the past for a certain period of time. When I visited him in Bombay, he had been teaching there for 5 years. He had been living in Agra for 10 years before 1994. Here in past perfect continuous tense, describe action began in the past and continued also in the past time. Look here, I had been shopping with my elder brother in the fair since morning. So from morning they were shopping, but now they were not shopping there. I had been listening to melodious songs for 2 hours. After 2 hours, that person not listening music. Uses of future simple tense, or we can say simple future tense. It is used to express actions which takes place under normal conditions in the future. I shall see you tomorrow. They will celebrate the function next week. Here we have to remember with I and we are using shall. With they, he, she, you, it, we are using will. Look here, it will rain tomorrow. I don't think I will buy that car. Here this two figure shows that a future incidents. Uses of future continuous tense. It is used to describe an action that will be in progress at a given point of time in the future. This time tomorrow I shall be flying over London. What will you be doing today evening? So then this action that will be continuing, that will be in progress in the future time. You will be shopping at that market tomorrow. We will be watching a movie in this Cineplex on next Friday. Uses of future perfect tense. It is used to describe an action that will be completed by some point of time in the future. He will have left before you go to meet him. By the beginning of the next year, we shall have shifted to our new flat. Mum will have cooked our favorite meal. Children standing outside, and what may be their wish? Their wish may be like that Mum will have cooked our favorite meal. The storm will have raged by the time we arrived. So when we arrived that time, there is a chance of storm. The storm will have raged by the time we arrive. Uses of future perfect continuous tense. It is used to describe an action that will be in progress even after a given point of time in the future. By the end of this month, he will have been learning Russian for 2 years. By next December, we shall have been living here for 4 years. Some examples for you. The poet will have been writing a romantic poem before the program starts. Robin will have been joining us at the meeting before you reach. Thank you for watching this video.